nothing but the proof of what I am, the worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My heart was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in a broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jacket said just meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. That's all we could write, this is what it sounds like.